Stop chasing every single green and red candle. If you want to stay profitable, you need to learn how to analyze the market. Today, I'm showing you the exact way how to analyze your trade. My goal here is to help you master the markets using logic, not luck. Let's get into the strategy. We aren't guessing where price goes. We're waiting for it to hit our key levels and looking for a specific reversal pattern. Look, price has created a BOS, which means break of structure. And now wait for the price to take the buying side liquidity. Market has changed its direction by breaking the recent low, which we call change of character, CHoCH, and mark the Fibonacci level from the top to bottom, and your 0.5 level is your golden zone. As you know, the market has changed its direction, so we plan for sell side. When the price hit your golden zone, then wait for the price action. Like here you see forming the bearish engulfing on the golden zone. Then you can plan your entry at the opening of new candle. And stop loss should be your candle high and target should be recent low.